I'm Nigel Ho. I'm a sub-agent for Kinardochy Substation. I grew up in Scotland, educated, went to university in Scotland as well. After university I went to Hong Kong, so I started working in Hong Kong. I was there for about 10 years. So 10 years and then moved back to Scotland. But yeah, like I say, out in the Highlands it's more relaxed, fresher air. Actually I probably do my best thinking when driving to work, so it takes me about an hour. So I'm based in Perth at the moment. It takes me an hour, but I do my best thinking, and then obviously having the rolling hills around you on the way up. In Hong Kong, the exotic projects, big projects, contract value, the larger jobs, you would only really focus into one small area of that project. With this project, or with BAM at least, I'm getting involved in the whole project, the project in its entirety, and that's an advantage to me at this stage of my career, that I am needing that experience. I've been in enough projects to know that there's some teams that gel well and there's some teams that don't. At least in BAM there is a good gel and there is a good camaraderie, good teamwork, which reflects and helps when you work away from home as well. So when you're working away and you're working up to, say, the Highlands, you've got a good team around you, there's good progress in the work that evolves into positivity. There's a pride in its contributing to the targets. Carbon zero by 2030, so it's definitely a pride in the infrastructure. I'll be honest, initially I didn't have that in the back of my mind or any of these thoughts in my mind, but reading through it, seeing what we're trying to get and being a part of it does. As you work in the industry, as you get into it, you get more interested and you become more aware and more proud of what you're doing.